Hey guys, what's up? So today I think I've made this fastest ship in warship craft, and this is what I mean. When I speed this thing up, look how fast it takes off. It's going about 177.9 miles an hour, and this is incredibly fast. Or 177 knots. This is incredibly fast, and it's a kind of heavily armored ship. I didn't want to make a ship that was gonna go 1,000 miles an hour, but I did by accident. I was bored, and I was on a warship craft, and I was like, let me make something. Yeah, but there's a turning problem, so if you turn very violently, it will rock. But if you turn very gently, it will be fine. So let's test it out in some real battles. So this is the night battle. Yeah, see it. Nope, you're gonna go to bed. You too, go to sleep. Go to bed. I have to like rock back and forth, and then your turn. It's your turn. Yep, he's dead. You just do the enemy submarine, the JOS Soyu, if I can find it. Get it? Yep, there it goes. It's gone. That was easy. Let's go against dual level 4, the Andrew and Penevi class. Yep. I'm just gonna speed towards it. I'm not even gonna fire yet. Yep. Right. Boom. 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 Nope. Goodbye. I'm gonna need you to go. Yep. Thank you. Bye. Nice doing business with you. Apologize for that. I need to turn off my stuff. Yep. There we go. Let's take out the U-boats because they're easy to kill. They're not too difficult, and that guy's almost dead anyway, so he's gonna die. Yep, there you go. One of them's already down. Gotta go get the other. Get it. Yep. Yep. Oh, I got hit by torpedo. I'm perfectly fine now. Yeah, because the whole ship is made out of 400mm armor, which is pretty good for what I'm using. So let's go up against the aircraft carrier now, the Langley. The planes are obviously gonna get taken out because I have like the best anti-aircraft weapons in this game. Yep. Can you just say thanks, guys? All right. We need one more. They can go away. Expect the bomber to the run. They're gonna miss. The other guy's gonna get taken out. Oh my god, I'm so accurate. Langley now. I am going too fast! Thank you. Yep. Yep, there we go. Yep, there's 2,000 in the bank. Well, as you can see, this is clearly a very, very powerful ship. It is also very fast, very efficient, and honestly could pretty much outrun anything. In fact, before I was recording, I was testing out the video. I was testing out to see how fast we could go, but we're gonna go up against the prototype model. I just edited it for just added better guns. But you can see how fast this thing is. It's really hard to shoot.
The enraged larvae of the JXSDF held off
Yeah.
enough for Chujo's nephew, Kiryu mechanic Yoshito, to enter a maintenance hatch and make the necessary repairs. Before Kiryu returned to the fight, a blast of Godzilla's ray warped the door, leaving Yoshito trapped inside. With a combination of his new spiral claw and triple hyper mazer, Kiryu defeated
And he's almost dead.
Godzilla.
Yep, there he goes. He's gone. Well, as you can see, this is clearly a very fast ship. Before I was recording it, I tested it out, and I was surprised to see that the even my strongest ship in my fleet, the Iowa #2, couldn't even take out this guy. Yeah, I'm doing a little victory. The boat's doing a victory dance. Doot, 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 doot. But this was a very, very powerful ship. It was outrunning everything, and I was trying to add torpedoes to it. Did not want to have it. Did not want it. Did not want torpedoes on there. Just slowed everything down. And it was crazy how fast it went on the first try. And the armor I thought the armor was going to, like, drag it down, but no, it just makes it go super fast. And I also just finished, like, when I built this, I only added the back part because I hated how it looked. But, yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!